So hey guys, in this today's video I am gonna give you a honest user's review of the Noise Evolve 2 AMOLED smartwatch. It is a smartwatch that is recently launched by a brand named Noise at a price range of 3,999 rupees in India. And people already buying this watch so much that it is out of stock most of the time. But before you rush to buy this smartwatch, let me tell you about pros and cons of this particular thing so that you can make an informed decision. The main selling point of this product is obviously it is an AMOLED display which has a resolution of 390 into 390 pixels with a display size of 42 mm. If you look at any other smartwatches in 4000 rupees price section, you will not find any other with AMOLED display. But I think guys, Firewalk recently have launched one which I'll review on this channel later for sure. So stay tuned for that as well. Now back to the AMOLED display again. It is so much bright and outdoor visibility is pretty good. But in my opinion, you may need to turn up the brightness level as you want to operate this product in direct sunlight. And as a result, which will drain your battery fast. Now we talk about the build quality of this smartwatch. This watch is built up of sturdy material and durable also, and it comes with 3 ATM water resistance. Now what makes a watch a smartwatch, right? This watch has all the features that smartwatch should have, like calorie count, step count, heart rate monitor, and it also has a SpO2 sensor which can measure your stress and blood oxygen level. It can also measure your sleep as well, okay? One more feature that I am very excited to tell you about that, it is having a preset messaging feature that allows us to send WhatsApp and email messages directly without using our phone with some preset messages that have been set up with it. However guys, you cannot answer a call using this. You can only reject or mute calls. Now coming to the watch UI and app control, which is very important to know. The UI of the watch is pretty average, you can say. Maybe it's personal preference, but I found that UI of the watch pretty average, don't get me wrong. It has some really nice features such as camera shutter options and all, but you will not get the feel while navigating through its menus. The music volume control feature is there, but you cannot increase or decrease the volume because when you do it, it lights up the next screen. Sometimes it becomes so annoying. For app control, you have to download Noise Fit app from the Play Store and it is pretty basic too. One major con that I faced in this app, we cannot apply custom watch faces in it until or unless you cannot set your custom watch faces in your smartwatch. Then what's the meaning of that smartwatch? But I don't have any idea guys. With the software update we can fix this thing or not. Now again, come to the charging section of this watch. Charging capabilities of this smartwatch are good. This watch charges with a decent fast speed with the magnetic charger that it comes with. So after the sum up, it is a still good smartwatch to buy in the 4000 rupees price bracket if you don't care much about its UI and app. Anyway guys, this was my honest review of Noise Evolve 2 AMOLED smartwatch. Tell me in the comment section what do you think of this smartwatch. Any suggestion and feedback are more valuable for me. And guys, if you really enjoyed this content, please sub to my channel. This will be massive to me. Thanks for watching guys. I'll be in the next one.